Hi everyone, welcome to Power BI Playbook. So today I'm going to show you how to create a single button slice for multiple tables in Power BI. So in one of my data source, it has 6 countries: USA, Canada, UK, Germany, France, and Japan. And the other table, we have Australia. So I want to connect these countries and create a one table and then create a button slicer. Let's do and go for the tutorial. Step one is I want to create a new table and connect these two uh, data sources, right? So I go modeling and create a new table, and then I need to write the DAX. I will say this one as team country, and then I need to get distinct values of. Then I need to connect the tables, union, selected columns, table 1 as a table, and then I want to get the country. The value is table 1 country. Second one, again, I go selected columns, same as before, above, table 2, 3, and I want to get the table 2 country values. Right, so that creates a table with all 7 countries, connecting those two table countries. So now I can easily create one slicer, and then I can get this one and put it to the fields. Here, come to fields, values, slicer settings, and make it to tile. Right, so all 7 countries are coming now. Now let's see what will happen if we put some data. Let's say if we got the table 1 sales here. In here, another one called table 2 sales value. Maybe we put it to the cards. Right? Okay, so now let's see if we put USA, these values are not getting filtered. So that is wrong, right? So we need to get the values filtered when we select the slicer. That is the purpose of it. So let's see how we can do that, how we make that connection. To that, go to model view and then manage relationship. I want to connect team country, country value plus table 1 country value, and then another relationship, country and table 2 country value. Right, so another relationship has been created. Now if you go here, now let's say if I filter Australia, so table 1, there's no any Australia, so value will be 0. And if I select Germany, the Germany value will be filtered. If I select USA, USA value will be filtered. If I select Australia, the Australia value will come. So now with that relationship, now the values are correctly filtered when we select the tiles or the slicer button slicer tiles. So thanks for watching. So this is how we connect two tables and connect as a button slicer. Thank you and keep in touch for more Power BI videos.